Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome to the third part of the chapter coordination compound. In this part we will discuss about the nomenclature of the coordination compounds. So how we can write the IUPAC name of a complex compound. So what are the rules? Firstly we will discuss about the rules which is applicable while writing the IUPAC name of the complex compounds. So according to the latest IUPAC recommendation, following rules are observed. Number one, order of naming ions. So in ionic complexes, the positive ions is named first, followed by the name of the negative ions. Means, for example, in this complex K4FeCnO6. So here K4 is a positive ion. So for this, firstly we will put the prefix. Means there is a potassium, K is a potassium. So while writing the IUPAC name, we will write for the potassium. So it will be potassium. Now for an ionic complexes, the positive part consists K ion, and while the negative part in this. So for this positive we will write the prefix. Now name nomenclature of the ligands. So different type of ligands are named as follows. Neutral ligands, the name of the molecules, for example CO, that is basically known as the carbonyl, CS thiocarbonyl, NO nitrosyl, and NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2 ethylene diamine, C5H5N, that is known as the pyridine. So these are basically known as the neutral ligands because they have no charge and they have no positive or negative charge, so they will known as the neutral ligands. Okay. Now, negative ligands means the ligands which carry negative charge are known as the negative ligands. There are many negative ligands are given here: Cl, chlorido, bromido, iodido, cyanido, sulfato, etc. Okay. Now, positive ligands, the ligand which carry positive charge, for example No plus nitrosonium, NH2 NH3 plus hydrogenium, and NO2 plus nitronium. Okay, so these are basically positive ligands. Now mode of attachment of an ambident ligands. So a ambident ligand means those type of ligands in which two atoms can donate the lone pair of electron to the central atom ion are known as ambident ligand. For example, thiocyanato S and thiocyanato N means SEN is a ligand in which sulfur can donate the lone pair of electron to the central atom, and also nitrogen can also donate the lone pair of electron to the central atom. So it is an bidentate ligand. Okay. Now number of ligands. So when there are more than one ligands will be present, then di tri tetra prefix will be used. Okay. And for example, in complex compound FeH2 whole 6, so there are 6 number of water molecules are present, so for 6 hexa will be used, hexa aqua. Okay. Now when the name of the polydentate ligands indicated in numerical prefix, then di tri etc., example ethylene diamine will be used. Thus at the place of di tri and tetra we will use bis, tris, and tetrakis, pentakis, hexakis, etc. Okay. Now prefix bis, tris, etc. are also used to indicate